Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your LinkedIn information while still allowing other content to be shown on your PC using the latest LinkedIn update. If you want more control over what people see about you on LinkedIn, especially when representing organizations or interests, follow these simple steps. First, open your preferred browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or the Me icon. Click on that. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage everything related to your privacy and visibility. Next, on the left-hand side, find and click on the Visibility section. This area controls who can see your activity, your connections, and other details about your profile. Within the Visibility menu, look for the option called Representing Your Organizations and Interests. Click on it to proceed. Here, you'll see a setting labeled Profile Information on Content. This controls whether your personal profile information is displayed alongside content you share or interact with, especially in the context of organizations or interests you represent. To hide your LinkedIn information, simply disable this option. Once it's turned off, your profile details won't show up on content related to your organizations or interests, but other content you choose to display will remain visible. And that's it. You've now customized your LinkedIn visibility settings, giving you more privacy and control over what information is shown to others. This new update makes it easier than ever to manage your professional presence online, ensuring that only the details you want to share are available to your network. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media privacy and making the most out of LinkedIn's latest features. Thanks for watching.